Hello friends, myself Mr. Sagar Tukaram Khadlak from Gokli Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawhar, Department of Zoology. In this video, we are going to discuss SYBSC's Zoology paper number 2 syllabus. So in this paper, you have 3 units to study. The title of paper is Nutrition and Excretion, Reproduction, Circulation, Coordination and Control of a life process, Locomotion and Reproduction. This is the title of our paper number 2. So there are 3 units to study in this paper. So unit number 1 is Nutrition and Excretion. In this unit, you have to discuss about the different nutritional apparatus or nutritional structure of animals, and then you have to discuss or know about the details of the excretory systems of different animals. So you have to study 5 points from this unit. Point number 1, comparative study of nutritional apparatus from amoeba, hydra, cockroach, amphioxus, pigeon and ruminants. Second point is physiology of digestion in a man. You have to know about the digestive process of a human being. Then third point is comparative study of excretory and osmoregulatory system of amoeba, which contains the contractile vacuole, planaria has flame cells, cockroach have malpighian tubules and green glands. So you have to discuss about excretory and osmoregulatory structures of these 3 animals. Then fourth point is categorization of animals based on the principle of nitrogenous excretory product. You have to know about the excretory categorization of animals. Then fifth point is structure of a kidney, uriniferous tubule and physiology of urine formation in a man. You have to know about the detailed structure and function of a kidney of a human being. The second unit is reproduction and circulation. So in this unit you have to know about the 6th point, which gives you the clear idea about the respiration and circulation of different animals. So point number 1 is comparative study of respiratory organs from earthworm, spider, bony fish, frog and pigeon. Then second point is that structure and function of respiration in a man. So in this point you have to know about the structure of lungs and its process of respiration, which is performed in the human beings. Third point is comparative study of a circulation. You have to know about there is type of a circulation, that is open or closed type or single or double type. So this is the comparative study of a circulation, or we can simply call it as the type of a circulation. Then fourth point is that types of a circulating fluids in various animals, which is water, coelomic fluid, hemolymph, lymph and composition of blood. This is the fourth point. Fifth point is comparative study of herds from earthworm, cockroach, shark, frog, crocodile and pigeon. You have to know about the structure of herds from these animals. Then the last point, 6th point, is structure and mechanism of working of a human heart. This is the last point from the unit number 2, respiration and circulation. Unit number 3 has about 4 points. The title of unit number 3 is control and coordination, locomotion and reproduction. So point number 1 is control and coordination. In that you have to know about the irritability in a paramecium, nerves net in hydra, nerve ring and nerve cord in earthworm. and then the types of neuron based on its structure and function. Next subpoint is that conduction of a nerve impulse, in that resting potential, action potential and refractory periods means what you have to know about in this point, and in that a synaptic transmission which is occurred in this conduction of nerve impulses process. So these 4 points are placed here to know. Then second point is that movement and locomotion. So in that you have to know about the locomotory organ or the locomotory structures of different animals. In that, first a pseudopodia in a amoeba, cilia in a paramecium, wings and legs in a cockroach, cube feet in a starfish and fins in a fish. These are near about 6 animals to study in this point. Third point is that structure of striated muscle fiber in human being and sliding filament theory. Fourth point is that reproduction. In that you have to know about the types of a reproduction. So there are basic 2 types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction consists fission, fragments, gemule formation and budding, while sexual reproduction consists gametogenesis, structure of male and female gametes in a human, types of fertilization, and last one oviparity, viviparity and ovoviviparity. So these are the certain points you have to know about in this third unit. So these are the just introductory parts of your whole syllabus. So this whole syllabus get distributed in 3 units. First one nutrition and excretion, second one respiration and circulation, third one control and coordination, and locomotion and reproduction. So in from further lectures we are going to start from unit number 1, and from that we are going to discuss single points in every lectures. Thank you.